Okay
Hello.
guys, welcome to the math session. Today's lesson is division as sharing, and what we will do today, we will solve questions like
Mister, yesterday we studied the remainder.
yes. Okay, we will solve questions like these today. Use the drawing to complete each division sentence. Question 5 and 6. And in question 7 and 8 we will draw pictures. So my heroes, you may need a piece of paper to draw. But in fact, for these questions, we have space here in the book. Okay, now let's start. And someone help me and tell me what page is this?
276.
Oh no.
278.
Yes, Ali, thank you.
278.
Yes, my heroes. 278. Okay, my heroes, I will play a video now. I want you to focus with the video. And please do not use your mics during the video. Okay, my heroes?
How can place value help you divide? The Craft Club made 375 keychains. They sold 137 of the keychains at the school fair. The rest need to be packed into 2 boxes with the same number of keychains in each box. How many keychains will go in each box?
Abdulaziz Abbas. Abdulaziz Abbas.
Yes.
Yes, Abdulaziz, what should we do to find the
I
number?
am muting.
My question is, what should we do? Okay, my hero, you have read the question? I think no. So I called you to focus with me, okay? Please mute your mic and I will call you again. Okay, my heroes. So this is the question and let's see what we should do. Of course, we are not going to divide the 375 into 2 boxes.
Mister, we're gonna subtract 375
Wow,
minus 137.
you are a hero. Who's this?
Malik Osama.
Malik, you are a hero. Thank you, my hero.
First, subtract to find how many keychains need to be packed. The Craft Club started with 375 keychains and sold 137 of them. 375 minus 137 equals 238. So 238 keychains need to be packed. Draw hundreds, tens, and ones to show 238.
Okay,
Find 238 divided by 2. Start.
okay, before we continue, I want you to focus with me. My heroes, we are using the hundreds as squares, the tens as lines, and the ones as these small circles or dots, but big dots.
Start by dividing the hundreds into 2 equal groups. What if there were not enough hundreds to divide into 2 equal groups?
Oh, this is very important question here. What if we don't have 2 or 4 to divide by 2 or 6 to divide? What if we need to divide 500 by 2? What should we do in this case, my heroes? Okay, this is very easy. We will move the 100 into the tens place. Exchange the hundreds, the 100s into tens. So, how many tens in 100? This is the question.
100. One.
how many tens, Ali? Ali Sultan?
10, 10.
10. So we have 10 tens in 100. Okay.
If there were not enough hundreds to divide into two equal groups, you could exchange hundreds for tens. Next, divide the tens into two equal groups. Unbundle one 10 for 10 ones. 10 ones plus 8 ones equals 18 ones. Why are only 2 of the 3 tens used in this step?
Okay, to answer this
So
question.
they can be equal.
Okay, Malik, I want to call some names. Okay, go ahead, Malik. Malik Osama.
So they can be equal.
Yes, we can, because 2 is divisible by 2, but 3 is not. So we will divide only 2 of the 3 tens into 2 groups, and we will have only 1 10 left. We will exchange it to ones. How many ones in 10?
10 ones.
10 ones. So
I did
we have 10 ones, and we already have 8 ones. So the total number of ones now is 18.
There are only enough tens to have 1 10 in each group. There is 1 10 left over that can be exchanged for ones.
I didn't understand.
Finally, divide the 18 ones into 2 equal groups. 119 keychains go into each box.
Okay, let's try this by ourselves. Ala. Oh,
What, miss?
okay, I'm
I
sorry.
didn't understand this.
Okay, just give me a second, my hero. This is Ala, right?
Yes, but mister, I didn't understand this
The
way.
tens used in
I
this
didn't
step.
understand it.
Into each box.
Okay, Ala, you are with me. I choose someone else. Hussein,
Yes. Yes, mister.
this is Ala.
Mister, I am Ala.
Okay, Ala,
Yes.
how many hundreds do we have?
200.
Yes, because my hero, we are dividing 238 into 2 groups. In this case, we have
Okay.
so we have 200s. So these are the 200s. How many hundreds in each group should we put?
How many?
Give 1 to the first group and notice what happened. Can you see down here? What happened
Yes.
down? It's now 100. And we should put another 100 in the other group, right? Now we have 200s. So we've done,
Yes.
we have finished the hundreds. Let's move to the tens. How many tens do we have?
Third.
Three. The
Three.
tens are
Third.
these lines. We will use this line as tens. Okay. Let's start. Give the
Okay.
first group 110 and the second group 110. How many tens do we use? Have we used now?
Two,
tens.
but we need to use
Yes.
two.
So
We need
how to do
three.
this? We have 3 tens, which is 2 tens plus 1 tens. Now we have used the 2 tens. What about the 1 10 left? What should we do with the 1 10 left here?
We could use it as a reminder, but
No, we haven't finished because we have ones yet. So exchange it into ones. The question now, 1 tens equal how many ones?
Equal 18.
1 tens equal 10
Equal 10.
ones. And we have another 8 ones. So in all, 10 plus 8 ones, the number of ones. So how many ones do we have? 18 ones.
18.
Okay, count with me. 1.
What?
Okay.
1.
And my hero, focus down. You can see down here. We are now 111. Okay, 2,
Okay.
3, 4,
100.
5, 6. Now I have used 6 of the 18. Continue. 7, 8,
7. 8.
9,
9. 10.
okay, we need to reach 18.
11.
So continue. 11, 12,
12.
13, 14,
14. 15.
15,
16.
16,
17. 8.
17,
Now we're
18.
18.
Okay, now let's count
Now
how
we're
many in each
reaching
group.
18.
How many hundreds?
Mm,
How many hundreds? 1. And how many tens? 1. And how many
One.
ones? 9. So in each group we have 118. Sorry, 119.
118 in each group.
119 in each group. So the answer to this question is 119. And we have no left over. We have no remainder. Nothing left over. So no remainder. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I will erase this, my heroes, and we'll continue the video.
How does the drawing represent how you traded the 1 extra 10 for 10 ones?
Okay, this question, how does the drawing represent how you trade 1 extra 10 for 10 ones? And we did this.
The extra 10 is replaced by 10 ones.
Yes, 1 10 equal 10 ones. And we have already 8
Now you know
ones.
how place value can help you divide.
We have already 8 ones, so 10 ones plus 8 ones equal 18 ones. Okay, my heroes, now let's
Great
move to
job.
the book. And we will move to the next page. We have this example. In this one, we are dividing 55 by 4. So start with the tens. 5 divided by 4. Give each group 1 tens. The line is tens. So we have used 4 tens. And we have 1 10 left. What should we do with the 1 10? The 1 10 is 10 ones. And we have another 5 ones in the question. We have another 5 ones, so it's 15 ones. Now, how to divide 15 into 4? In this case, we will give each group 3, and we have 3 left over, so we call this remainder. Now, in each group, we have 1 tens and 3 ones. So, it's 13. Okay, my heroes, let's do this by ourselves so we can judge if we can do it by ourselves. So, this is easy for us to use. I will make this a little bit larger so we can draw. And I will solve now question number 1. And I will choose one of my heroes to help me. Okay. Maitham?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my hero, draw a picture to explain why 423 divided by 3 equals 141. I ask you and you answer me, okay? How many groups? My hero, how many groups?
Your
Maitham,
voice is lag. Your voice is lag.
how many
I hear
groups?
you well.
Maitham, how many groups?
3.
Yes, I will make 3 large circles because I will draw inside the circles. And now, start with the hundreds. How many hundreds do we have?
4.
Okay,
100.
400.
4.
So give this 100 and this 100 and this
And this
100. Now we've used 300s. We have left 100. Okay,
We can't
move
put
it
it
to
all
tens. How
together.
many tens?
2.
100 equal 10 tens. And we have another 2 tens. So 10 tens plus 2 tens equals 12 tens.
10.
So the total number of tens is 12.
12.
Okay, I will use this line as tens, okay? I will draw lines
Okay.
for the tens. Okay. So my hero, you will count with me, okay? Okay, I want this. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10. We
11,
can't.
12.
12.
So we've finished the 12 tens, right?
Yeah.
Now, how many ones do we have?
We have 3.
Okay, give this one 1, 3, 1, 10 ones. I will use the dot as ones. And this
Okay.
1 ones. These are
And this
2 now. Now these are 3, right?
3.
Okay.
Yeah.
The very important part here now, what's the quotient? One hundreds. How many tens?
4.
How many ones?
1.
And the same for the second one, 141.
And the third
And
one.
the third one also 141. So the quotient is 141.
141.
Okay, thank you, my hero. And guys, now you can draw and write the answer quickly. It's all about the drawing. The whole session now is drawing. So draw this quickly. I will erase the 141 here. Okay, my heroes, finish quickly, my heroes. Is there anyone writing or drawing yet? My heroes, you have finished drawing?
No.
You are
No,
drawing
thanks.
this.
No.
You are
We
drawing
finished.
this, my heroes.
Yeah, we finished.
Okay. I'm asking.
I am not finished.
Okay,
finished.
you have 1 minute, my hero. You have 1 minute.
I finished.
Okay, my heroes. Now we will move down on the same page. And my heroes, we are now solving question number 5. Muhammad Jamal. Muhammad Jamal.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Muhammad.
Yes, mister.
Use the drawing to complete
Yeah.
each division sentence. Look at the drawing and tell me we are dividing by what? How many groups?
Tens and ones.
How many groups do we have?
3 groups.
3 groups. So we are dividing into 3 groups. How many in each group? Let's count. How many tens?
2 tens, so
How many ones?
23.
Yes. So in each group we have 23. And my hero,
and
the
the left
remainder
group,
is
25.
2. It's written already. So we are dividing into 3 groups, and each group contains 23, and the remainder is 2. Abdulaziz Abbas. Abdulaziz.
Mister, is my mic or not?
Abdulaziz Abbas. This is Abdulaziz.
Yes.
Okay. Abdulaziz, in the second one, question number 6. How many groups?
What? I didn't hear you.
How many groups do we have?
4.
Okay, let's count the number in each group. How many tens?
How many tens? 4 tens.
And how many ones?
4.
So in each group, how many do we have in each group? The all groups are the same number. The all groups are equal. So there is no need to count.
44.
Yes, in each group we have 44. Thank you. Okay, my heroes, now let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Muhammad Al-Humaydan.
Yes, here.
Okay, Muhammad, start with me first with the number of groups. How many groups should we draw?
3.
So I will draw 3 groups. 1, 2. Oh, sorry. I'll erase the last one and draw it again. Okay, 3 groups. And let's start with the hundreds. We have how many hundreds?
We don't have hundreds.
Sorry, I said hundreds. Sorry, tens.
Yes.
How many tens?
40.
So how many?
40.
1, 2, 3, and I have 100 left. The 100 equal how many tens?
10.
Yes. And do not for what? I'm sorry, my heroes, I don't have hundreds. I'm sorry.
There's no hundreds.
This is not hundreds. This is
This is
tens.
line.
Okay,
It's
it's the
line.
same, but I will
Line.
use lines. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and 1 10 equal how many
10
ones?
10.
10 ones. We have other 6 ones. So how many ones do we have in all?
16.
16 ones. Okay, let's divide the 16 ones. I will use the dot for the ones. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6. Count with me, my hero. 7,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Okay, now,
No, it can't be.
so we have 16, right? We have one
Yes.
left.
There's
I
one.
will put the one
Remainder.
out of all groups. Okay?
It will be remainder.
Yes, of course. This one will be remainder. This one is left over. So now count how many in each group. How many
15.
tens? How many tens and how many ones? Yes, 1 tens and 5
10
ones.
tens and 5
So
ones.
this is 15, this is 15, and this is also 15. Okay?
Okay, 1 plus
And
1 plus
we
1
have how
equals
many left
3.
over?
1.
So we should write that the remainder is 1.
1.
Thank you, my hero. Hussein Al-Hamad? Sorry, Hussein Al-Musallam?
Yes.
Okay, Hussein, the other one, how many groups?
We.
Are you sure?
There's 4.
Yes, I will draw 4 groups. 1, 2. I don't have enough space, so I will draw 1 here and 1 up here, okay? Okay. How many tens? 6.
6.
Oh, not hundreds, it's tens. We are using the tens as lines. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. How many tens left?
2.
Okay, 2 tens equal how many ones?
Equals 20.
Yes, and we have already 5 ones. So how many ones in all?
25.
Okay, let's start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My hero, count with me. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. My hero,
What?
should I continue? I've reached 24. What should I do? Can I continue? 25, 26?
No.
So I will put the last one as remainder out of all groups. Okay?
Okay.
Now give me the answer, and the answer is the quotient and the remainder. The quotient, how many in each group? Count any of the groups, it's the same. How many tens?
16.
Yes, 1 tens and 6 ones, so 16. The remainder is,
16. 1.
and the remainder is this one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, my hero. My heroes, finished drawing quickly. I will send to you the link now.
Finish.
Okay, you have 30 seconds to finish drawing. And now you know, my heroes, how to use the drawings to solve. Yes, who's speaking?
Who's this?
Yes. Okay, I'll stop sharing my screen now.
I want to answer.
Who's speaking?
Mr. Muhammad.
Okay, my heroes, let's see this question. I will share my screen. And as you can see here, 17 divided by 4, you can use drawing, or you can use the multiplication table. The two ways are correct. Let's see this one. And all questions are the same way. You can do the same for all questions. Okay, focus, my heroes. You can draw 4 groups and start counting the 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. No. So I have to remove the 17 and 18 because I'm dividing only 17. So I will remove this one and this one. Now I have one left over. I will put it out of all groups. And just what you should do now, you just have to count how many in each group. In the first group here we have 4. So we have in all groups 4. 4 in each group. And we have one left over, so the remainder is 1. So we should choose 4 and remainder 1. Okay, and all questions are the same. Okay, my heroes, any questions? This is the end of our session. Thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow.
Thank the heroes of today.
And goodbye. Yes? Okay, goodbye.
Thank the heroes of today.
I said the names.